Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this and asked how you could recreate that. It's really pretty easy. Just I'm not going to try to make the dimensions perfectly. I'm going to draw a rectangle, maybe a little bit narrower. I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve, get the Shape tool, and I'm going to add some nodes. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1 inch. I'm going to take the left node and move it out. I'm going to take the right node, so I'm just clicking on it. Now we need to do the same thing up here, but it's a little more difficult, so I'm going to grab this node and make a plus, and then grab this node and make a plus. It normally puts a node between the to the left, so let's add another one. And that's really good enough. I can go and delete these two. Don't really need them. Don't really need it. Take this and nudge it up 1 inch. Now, you could do the same thing to the other one, but what I find or like to do is make a copy of it and mirror it, and then just bring this down to there. Take your virtual segment delete key and swipe through there. Take your smart fill tool and fill that in. Move the smart fill away. Left click, right click to make it black. We can get rid of these. Now let's take this and put it in the middle. What the smart fill tool did is made a new item. So now I'm going to swipe through and delete these 8 nodes. And voila, we're pretty close to that shape. Maybe mine's a little bit bigger. Fill it in with red and look at them in comparison, and we're good to go. Mine's a little bit, maybe I started off with a shorter, item, so you could always squish it up or elongate it to make it look more elongated like the other one. That's pretty dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.